on YouTube? Welcome back to the Enebo Racing channel. We got a fun night of racing tonight. We're meeting Ben out of PIR for a little testing. We got a whole gang out here. We got Ben testing out the Freedom Fox. Brian's out here helping him out. Conrad, he's out here for his first time ever racing. We got our other coworker Nathan back here with the Subaru. We got some grudge racing going on between those two, the 540 and the Impreza. So we got some fun stuff going. We're gonna switch over to track mode here. We haven't pulled the T-5 yet, so we're gonna abuse it a little bit before we take it out this weekend. We got the fuel system upgraded, so we'll see what goes down. But today, I know that this T5's got a pretty problematic third gear, so we're really gonna focus on launching it today. We got a pretty spicy tune-up in it, thanks to my boy Kevin. And we're gonna use the two-step button as much as we can and really just get some seat time trying to launch off the two-step button to get some good 60 foot. So we'll see what it runs out the back. We spiced it up a bit, so we're gonna see what happens. Let's get over to track mode, go past tech, and then we'll have a night of fun. All right, we're switched over to track mode. Ben's about to fire his up. We're gonna run it. Conrad and Nathan, they both let out early. Freaking rooks. But for the most part, Ben and I are gonna go make some hits here. Got a data log, and we're gonna get the GoPro going up here, so should get some good footage for you guys. This is gonna be so awesome. Ben's about to lay it down, but I'm just there to give him a little pressure, right? Let's get it. I'll tell you right now, racing against your brother, you know, obviously his car's faster, whatever. Putting it down side by side, seeing them both fucking rip. Ben gapped me. I mean, Ben was out of there. How fun. How fun. Let's go. Had a smooth second to third shift, didn't break it yet. All right, Conrad and Nate lining back up here. The battle of the green drop here. Oh! Conrad with the mega burnout. Oh, big grudge race right here. Let's go. Oh, Nate! Oh, Conrad's gapping him. Dude, 15-0. 15-0, 17-7. Damn. We're pulling up tough this year, boys. Ben is looking radical. And even the old Stormtrooper, it's keeping its appearance pretty well. Oh, hell, dude, yeah. The hitch? The hitch? Come on now. All right, we're going back up here. almost spun in first. So we'll work on that, but stayed cool. Man, didn't make any more boost, so whatever I just did definitely didn't really do anything, but dang. So we're only making about 6 pounds of boost, guys. Nothing crazy. Gotta figure out a way to turn that up. All right, well, that's gonna do it for this video. Obviously that was taken back in August. You know, a lot has happened since then, and I do have footage of it all. I just gotta force myself to put it all together for you guys, so be patient with me, but I do have a lot of good stuff. The TKX is in the car. We already went on a drag and drive event with it, so I'm really backed up. I do have probably a good 6 or 7 videos that I gotta produce, but I'm gonna get on it. Had to put this one out, didn't have an outro. This is gonna be the outro. Before I go, I do want to acknowledge a small milestone. We just hit 800 subscribers on YouTube. It is really cool to see that so many people do find this content kind of entertaining. That's all I'm really trying to do. So thank you all for your continued support. Even though I haven't put out videos as consistent as I'd like to, I'm gonna start doing that, hopefully. But otherwise, really appreciate your guys' support. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay rippin'.